everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the Supernatural Project Pan. It's called Pan Interrupted. It's kind of a play on one of the titles of an episode. I believe it was in season 3, and it is all about the show Supernatural, and the idea is to pan a product for every single episode that ever aired, all 15 seasons. That is a lot. This started in August of 2018, and I am still on season 5. So I have 10 more seasons to go, and I still have to finish the season that I'm currently on, which is kind of crazy pants. It's going to take forever, and I'm okay with that. I love this entire series. I own it on DVD, and sometimes I just go back and I watch certain episodes, and sometimes I just kind of binge on it for a while. I like Supernatural. I like makeup and panning, so I kind of combine the two of them. This has been going on a while. There's going to be a list of everyone that has joined in so far down below. Some people have joined in and stopped and come back, and it's one of those projects that is no pressure because there is no end date, and you can jump in whenever you want. If you only want to update once every 6 months, that's cool too. And if you want to update it every 2 weeks, that's cool. It is whatever you want to do, however you want to do it. It's 6 products at a time based on the episodes in order. So when you bring in your intro, you do the first 6 products with the first 6 episodes. And then when you finish one of those, you meet your goal on whatever, you roll that episode and that product out, and then you just go into the very next episode in line, and you set your own goals. There is no real hard and fast rules to this. If you want to put a product in to use it one time, that's cool. If you want to put it in to finish, that's cool too. Hit pan, usage, it doesn't matter. It is up to you. So that being said, I am going to go over my 6 products that I had in. 2 of them are actually going to be rolling out. Okay, let's go over my rollouts first. The first one is The Song Remains the Same. That product was Vani Cosmetics Pressed Glitter in Parallel Universe, and my goal was just to hit side pan on that, which I have done. This is used solely on my fingernails. When I want to do like an eyeshadow glittery kind of look, I use this. It is just too chunky for my eyes, so I really think it's pretty, and I would like to get some more use out of it, but it is just going to be for my fingernails. I want to say I did 2 full manicures with it and 1 manicure with an accent nail to be able to hit that side pan. It did already have pan on it, but I wanted to get more usage out of it to get side pan. Wow, I don't know why I can't talk today, but it is done. That is rolling out. It is going to go back into my drawer, and I will bring it out at a later date. Not necessarily for this project, but it will come back again. The next one is for Point of No Return, and this was a very angel heavy episode. So I brought in the Looxi Angel Wings to hit pan. I love this shadow so much. I have just recently gotten Looxi shadows, and I am enjoying everything that I have been playing with so far. I want to say I got this around Black Friday-ish, and I already have pan on this one, which is kind of crazy. And I was trying to not hit pan too quickly in this. I know that sounds crazy for me, but yeah, it is there, and I'm sad that that is rolling out. All right, moving on to the stuff that is staying in before we get to the roll-ins. The first episode is Dead Men Don't Wear Plaid, and I brought in the Jessica Nails Moisturizing Cuticle Remover. I have this in for 10 uses. I've currently used it 7 times. I do have some progress, visual progress here, but I'm not really tracking it that way because that is not my goal for this particular project right now. So I need to use this 3 more times. Hopefully I can do that by the next update. The next episode is Dark Side of the Moon. I brought in another Looxi eyeshadow. This is Howl at the Moon, and it is so stinking pretty. I do not have pan on this yet. That is my goal. I will get there, but I am in no rush to hit pan on this. The next episode is 99 Problems, and I am very shocked to say that I found an eyeshadow that is called 99. It fit this prompt perfectly. It is from the ColourPop Digital Playground palette, and it is this shade right here. I use this so far only as an inner corner highlight, but I have a feeling it is going to come in handy as a lid shade at some point. So I've got the tiniest baby dip, nothing amazing, but that's okay. I have a lot of eyeshadows that I'm working on right now throughout many projects because it is the beginning of the year. First quarter is always rough for progress, and I'm okay with that. I will get there. And the last one that is continuing on is Hammer of the Gods, and I brought in the Bare Minerals Shadow in Intuition for 5 uses, and I have not used it at all. I know, it's horrible. I actually forgot that I had it in this project, and I just had it in my big painting drawer. Most of my projects are year-long, and I just wasn't thinking that this is a usage product, so I'm going to put this in my everyday drawer as soon as I'm done filming this so that I will actually get some usage on this. So now I need to bring in 2 new episodes and 2 new products. The first one is The Devil You Know, and that episode is about a college friend that Sam had that turned out to be kind of the devil. He kind of like turned into the devil and ended up killing Sam's girlfriend. So it's kind of one of those, I used to like you, but now I hate you, but not necessarily hate, but you know what I mean. And I brought in a product like that I used to really love, and now I don't have time for it, and I don't love it, I don't hate it, but it needs to get some use. So this is the Wet n Wild eyeliner in turquoise, and this is what it looks like right here. It's pretty. I've had it forever, and it's actually still creamy, which is kind of shocking for me, but I would like to use this 5 times. I know it's not a lot of times to use it, but this is not a color that I'm going to use on the regular, so if I can get 5 uses on it, I will be very happy with that. The next episode is 2 Minutes to Midnight. This was an interesting episode. This episode is kind of in the middle of the whole arc of the 4 Horsemen of the Apocalypse. In this particular episode, they are going after Pestilence, and he's a bad dude. He is a bad dude, but he's not the worst dude. So they get a hold of Pestilence, they cut his finger off, they get his ring, because all of the horsemen have rings, and as long as they have the rings, they can wreak havoc and bring about the apocalypse. But if they don't have the rings, then they don't have the power. It's kind of a thing. So in this particular episode, they do get Pestilence ring back from him, but then he says it's too late because Death is on his way. Death is the big bad dude. He's the super big bad in this one. After they got done dealing with Pestilence, they went to Chicago to find Death, because that's apparently where he was headed. They ended up meeting up with him in a pizza parlor in Chicago, and everyone is like already dead and laying on the ground. It's not a good thing. I find it very ironic that they go to Chicago and end up in a pizza parlor. It's kind of like, you know, Chicago pizza, it's a thing. So I went with a play on that portion of the episode, and I'm bringing in the pizza pellet. I know it's kind of strange, but I am bringing in the pizza pellet. This is what that pizza pellet looks like, and I am going to be working on garlic right here. It does already have a little bit of pan, but I am going to attempt to finish this entire shade for this prompt. So 2 rollouts, and let's see, 4 that are continuing on, 2 new roll-ins. I am really hoping that I will have my uses on this cuticle remover here by the next update. I don't know about Howl at the Moon. I love it, and I kind of not want to roll it out right now, but I kind of want to hit pan on it at the same time. Do you ever have a product where you love it so much that you want to use it, but you don't want to use it so that it's not gone? That's the way I feel about this one. So we'll see if I can hit pan on it by the next time. If not, I'm not going to be upset about it. I don't believe I'm going to have any like significant progress on 99. I'm just going to continue to use it and not focus on it, but I will use it some. And Intuition, I am going to put this in my drawer, so this is the focus shadow for me for the next week or 2 in my everyday drawer, and see if I can knock out those 5 uses. Who knows what I'm going to do with this eyeliner in the next month? Only time will tell on that one. And then garlic, I think this is going to take a little bit of time, but I'm okay with that. It's not a rush for me to get that done. As long as I do have a decent update each month, I'm okay with that. Even if it's not necessarily rolling stuff out or rolling stuff in, as long as I have good progress to show you, I will be content with that. Again, if you want to join in, by all means join in. Just kind of pick your products for your first episodes and have at it. There's no real hard and fast rules. I usually upload my video around the 19th, because that's when we originally started. This was on the 19th, but sometimes it'll fluctuate a little bit before or a little bit after, but that's usually about the time range when I upload. I'm going to wrap this up. It is getting late, and I have got a lot of stuff to do, getting some stuff organized on my desk and stuff like that, because I do have some more inventory to do, my lips and my eyes still, and I don't know if this is going to go up before or after that inventory, so we will have to wait and see. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.